about the SQL files. We also have this about the SQL files, and if you want tools of the files, you can choose this. This is our 17 pieces in one box. And the box it files and have 12 little files, and we will give you it is very easy to. If you're interested type of the quiz text. If you didn't want the example, you only want little files, and you click the little file small include and it in the left it has 6 different shapes of the demand little files, and in the right the little files, and we will also use a brush to clean. If you didn't select this color, we also have other colors. It is yellow colors, and we also see the handle colors. And we also can use the handles. It is very easy to carry out hitting customers. Okay, we also have the demand. We also have the demand cutting discourse. This is our demand cutting tool, cutting pad. We have different shafts. We have different shafts and types. We also have pad. We also you can see the picture and the size and the quantity. I will check. This is our demand for the polishing pad. This is other materials of the. Okay, that is our products types. We also have rotary files. Okay, next one. Let me files tumor down below to the literature. We know what product and to ask for our production catalog. And we are files, files, and Hexagon Ventures, and we also have the grid gun. And our products are all covered with 1 warranty years. Covered with 1 warranty years. 那有人打电话。
喂。哎喂。
And today in our
你先发一个程序员吧。对。好。
And today in our new show, our products are all in stock. Are all in stock. If you are interested, you can contact our customers. When you pay it, we will send it for you. The shipping. Hello, welcome to our new show. And the shipping time is around 7 to 15 working days. You are interested, you can contact our customer service. We also have wood rotary files. And you know, files is a normal. Files is a command hand tools that is mainly used for cutting, for sanding, and for finishing materials such as metal, wood, and brackets. Below are the main uses and classifications of files. Okay, you can see this is our round steel files in my hand. We can customize the size and the handles and the markings of the steel files. And the steel files, the files is the ultimate round for your vocation. It master for essential functions, swiftly removing burrs and excess material, precisely shaping complex and contours. Referring rough surface to mirror finishing and ensuring perfect part fitting, whether to metal working, woodcraft, or mechanical repair. Quality transforms for your work from rough to be found, from ordinary to extraordinary. And about these files, it is a true material master. It handles their 3 major materials, flames with easy metals like steel, aluminum, and copper, as the match with the right metal file. All types of wood from soft to hard, specially designed coarse teeth prevent clogging. Even delicate practice and composites like acrylics and nylon, gentle feeling without damage. Remember the garden ruler, fine teeth for metals, coarse for wood, and light touch for practice. Let's patch for practice. When CAR-T file conquers all materials, you can connect our customer service to check to get the catalog and price list. And the first one, I will introduce the flight files.
Hey. 你先给我放程序员吧，程序员。哦，对，嗯。
Okay, first of all, I will introduce the flat files. You can see this is our flat files in my hand. This is the flat files. And this is our catalog for paper. This is our flat files. And what is the flat files features? You know, the flat files features is flat power surface and wide side for larger areas and narrow side for edges. Hello, welcome to our new show. If you are interested, you can contact us. You can chat with our customer service to get the catalog. And how to use the flat files. The flat files used for deburring metal finishing flat surface and smooth wise. If you are interested in this one, you can contact us. This is the flat files. And the next one, we will introduce the half-round files to you. You can see this is a half-round files in my hand. You can see this is a half-round files in my hand. This is 8-inch in my hand. We also can customize the like 6-inch, 10-inch, 4-inch. You can contact us. And about the half-round files, the features, do you know it? The half-round files features is flat on one side and covered on the others. You can see this side is flat, and this side is covered. This side is covered. This is the covered side, and this is flat side. This is the flat side. And you can see this is covered. This is covered. And the half-round files features is a flat one on the side and covered on the other side. Ideal for both flat and rounded surface. And how to use the half-round files? We usually use the half-round files to people entering finishing and rounding edges and wood shaping. If you are interested in this one, you can contact us. We also can
accept the customers. This is our half round files. If you are interested, you can contact us. Okay. Okay, next one, I will introduce the round files. You can see this is our round files. It is like similar chainsaw files. You can see the left one is the round files, and the right one is our chainsaw files. It is looks like similar, but the teeth is different. The teeth is different. If you are interested, you can contact us. Our chainsaw files is also connect customers. Is also accepted customers the size and the parkings and the handles. If you are interested, you can contact us. Okay. Let's continue the round files. The round files features is cylindrical shape and perfect to enlarging holes and fine internal grading. This is the round files. This is the round files features. And we also use how to use the round files. We usually use the round files to keyhole adjustment and mental hole dealing and hand engraving. This is our round files. We also accept customers the handles, the size and the parkings. If you are interested, you can connect us. And you can see we also have the certifications. And about our round files, we also have T12 materials. And if you want, we also have T12 materials. This is 8 size. And we also have T10 materials. If you're interested, you can contact us. And you can see this is our hexagon files. This is our hexagon ventures. If you are interested, you can contact us to get the catalog. This is our double blister parkings. This is our double blister parkings, and this is our slate card parkings. Parkings. If you are interested, you can our service to check the parkings price for you. And this one is our single speed car parkings. The single speed car parking. This is our this is our 3 different size of needle files. Interesting. Have the 3 pieces with the card
without list packings.
Pieces in one disk, and this is 5 pieces in one disk. We also have single files in the slid card packings. If you're interested, contact us. Okay, next one, I will introduce the triangle files. You can see this is our triangle files. It has three sides. And do you know the triangle files, the features? Do you know the features of the triangle files? The triangle files features is three-edged design, and the sharpening edges will be grooves and saw teeth. And how to use the triangle files? We also have use the triangle files to solve sharpening, tempering mechanical parts, and mood trimming. If you are interested, you can contact us. This is our triangle files. We also can customize the size, the handles, and the plugins. If you are interested, you can contact us. Okay, next one. We will introduce the next one is the square files. Square files. You can see it is more than a side from triangle files. Triangle files have three sides, three edges, and the triangle files it has 4 edges. And do you know the square files? The features angle edges, ideal for square holes, and 90-degree edges. And how to use the square files? Our assembly. If you are interested in our new design packings, or you want to sell our new design cartings, you can contact our customer service. We will check the best price for you. If you are interested in this one, you can chat with our customer service. Okay, next one, the needle files features. The needle files features is minimal precision files in various shapes, round, square, triangles, and how to use the needle files. We also usually use needle files to drawing marking or to repairing one part adjustment. This is our needle files. We also have this. We also have this partings of the needle files. We can customize. We also can customize your brand and your partings. The next one, I will introduce the rasper. This is our rasper. You can see this is the rasper in my hands. Do you know the features of the rasper? Features of the rasper is costis resist clogging, removing material quickly. And how to use the wood rasper? We already use the wood rasper to furniture jewelry, wood carving, with musical instrument creating. If you are interested in this wood rasper, you can contact our customer service. And our products is high quality and good material. If you are interested in checking out our customer service. And next one, about the steel files, we also have this one. We also have this normal files. It without the handles, it's only the steel files. It without the handles. And about this, we also can customize your brand in the files bodies. And about the backs, it also have practice backs and the paper backs. It has 12 pieces in one bag. If you are interested, you can contact us. And follow these four tips for safer, better feeling. The first one is press on push stroker, left on return, just like sewing. Hello, welcome to our new show. Hello, what product are you interested in? You can contact our customer service. You can send a message to me. You can send a message to our customer service. We will send you our catalog. And the 4 is clean metal files with wire brush. Tap wood rasper to remove chips. 3 is always secure workpieces and keep hands clear. The 4 is cost teeth cut faster and fine teeth polish smooth. Pick the right one. It can make you use the steel files for a long time. It can protect your steel files. Hello, welcome to our new show. You can send a message to our customers. We will send you our catalog. And this files is truly versatile. Devices use it for manual marking and line sharpening. Mechanicals rely on it to expand parts and clean wires. Even toolers depend on precision files for goldsmithing. One tool handles everything from heavy dirty to delicate work. And reasonable choice of files, type and tools degree thickness can significantly improve the notifications and machining accuracy. And many people may be particularly concerned about the hardness. Of course, we will also tell you here the hardness of our files. The hardness varies depending on the material. The hardness of T12 material is between the 56 and 62. And the hardness of T10 materials is around 50. If you are interested in T10 materials or T12 materials, you can contact us. And check this out. A quality file goes through 18 precision steps from hot pouring to grading, tripping. Quality checks, cringing, and antitrust treatment. Also ISO certified. Every step ensures durability and accuracy. Our files are battle tested and ready to perform. And next, I will tell you about the applications of files. What should we pay attention to when filling different metals? Hello, welcome to our new shop. You can send a message to our customers. We will send you our catalog. Okay, next I will tell you about the applications of files. What should we pay attention to when filling different metals? Different metals vary greatly in character and properties. Some are softer than others are, and some are more ductile, and so on. The nature of the metal has to be taken carefully into accurate account when choosing the right file and applying it to the job. For instance, a soft ductile metal requires a neat file and only light pressure must be applied during filling if the work is not to be deformed. Conversely, a hard and less ductile metal may require a file with duller teeth to avoid them beating too deep and breaking off when pressure is applied. When filling is material the user can normally feel whether or not he is using the right file. And filling in the correct manner, all things being correct. A smooth cutting action and a good clean finishing on the work is achieved. If there is a stubborn resistance, chance that the wrong file is being used, the file is damaged, or the wrong method is being used. And what should we do when using a file-to-file roof casting? Snagging casting, removing fans. First, hello, welcome to our new show. You can send me what product are you interested in. We will check the best price for you. Snagging castings removing fans, spurs, and other projections is hard on normal files. That is for faster cutting and don't possess the ruggedness. For driving against hard projections and edges, this filling edges only a few teeth, and thus putting a string on each. For such work, it is better to use a foundry files with sticker teeth and heavy set edges to resist shellings or breaking out. And next, I will introduce you to the filling of die castings. Like foundry casting, die castings using sharp corner, webs, fans, or flashing which are liable to damage normal files. In addition, die castings consist of magnesium, zinc, aluminum, alloy, or similar combinations of metal which have the tendency to clog regular files. Depending on the shape, what might happen when we use a file-to-file soft materials? Soft materials such as aluminum, copper, aluminum brass, copper, practice and rubber and wood shire tools files. Provide faster material removal with good smooth qualities. The combination of the single cut and the long edge helps the shire tools files to clear. Because of the long edge, the files has a tendency to run to the left on narrow surface. This can be overcome by filling with a diagonal stroke on the right. When we use a file to file bronze like copper, zinc, or other alloy elements, how should we operate it? Bronze is similar in nature to brass in some aspects, but varies according to the percentages of alloying elements. Average sharpness of the files is satisfactory for some grains, while for others, a file that can maintain its sharpening for longer praise is required. Thus, for the hard bronze, a file with a more acute angle at the top of the file should be closed frequently to avoid glowing with grains and brass. And next, I will tell you about the characteristics of aluminum and how to use the files when we file aluminum or soft metal. Aluminum is soft and is difficult to file. File is clog even under moderate pressure. Filling aluminum is divided into first, filling roughness from aluminum casting. Second is filling sheet and bar aluminum. The third is filling aluminum alloys. To produce a good finish, the aluminum type A file has been developed. The file upcut is deep with an open throat. The overcut file, which produces the small scallops on the upcut. This breaks up with an open throat the fillings and allows the files to clear. This also overcomes chatter and prevents too large a bit. By using a sharing stroke toward the left, a good finishing can be obtained. What should we pay attention to when we use a file-to-file practice? What kind of file should be used? Hardness practice are dense and brittle, and the material is removed as light powder. The abrasives of hard practice requires files with high sharpness. Soft practice are filed in sheets, so shear tools files should be used for these applications. The above contents are basically the situations for using the files. First, let's talk about files. What should we pay attention to when choosing files? Do you know? The first one is faster cars files are normally used accuracy and fitness. Smooth cars are widely used on the surface that has high requires of precision, accuracy, and fitness. Thin cars files are most welcome. Precision and 2 is new files cards are sharp. Make
下一次拿相机把这个给你录下来不就行了？
Your files cards are sharp. Make sure you use it also to mental firstly after some days. Then use other harder surface. Quenching material and high hardness surface. Using grading while grinding the hard surface firstly to make sure it is smooth enough. Then use second or smooth cards files for files work better. The bulk of file according to different materials and situations. Then let's talk about how to use a file before you use the file. File is made of high carbon steel. It has high hardness and easy to break. Don't check files to remove the debris. The tool is use wire brush to clean the cards according to the direction candidly. 3 is don't use it too fast and make sure the files are used under stable and files from high position, it will be break and dangerous. The bulk when using files. Finally, let's talk about how to preserve and other dirties. The second one is the files should not overlap each other to damage the files card. Okay, you should avoid using children and protective attire in working area. Select character type and size of tool for working. Finally, pay attention to use one. Don't use a new file on hard metal. 3 is if the aluminum pieces or the other casting are loose or sand after rubber, then mix one side of the file firstly after it becomes blunt. Then turn to the other side. We always need a file brush to clear the fillings between the cards of the file. 6. The files to the tools. 7. You need to pack fast, or otherwise it will fade easily. Other dirties. 9 is small files can be used on soft files.
though it may be easy to break off and hard to hand, Element use any files as easily. Do you know our files? The file content is about our still files. And we also have other hardware tools and power tools assembly service. We will see our catalog. Okay, the file tool I will introduce to you next based on the tools I placed on the table. Okay, next one. I will introduce the class my colleague introduced to it for you.
是不是这个先打开？要不然它得见。对。Hello everyone，哟，你做的真热。Hello everyone, this is Amber from Pachaslos. Next, I will show you the. 哎，那这是你的吗？这是你的。那就由你。我现在这个吧。那你把那个。Hello everyone, this is Amber from Pachaslos. 那个咋看到的？那这个不让你看。哎呀，Hello everyone, this is Amber from Pachaslos. Next, I will show you the rotary file size and the solid rotary file. We can take and this is our catalog. This is our company catalog. We can see this is our company. We have the file, and this is our rotary. This is our rotary file. You can see this is our rotary file. Many shapes. The common rotary file is about 13 common rotary files on here from A to N, and the first one is the shape A. Is we can see it has many size. It has many size in the catalog. There is many size, and it is also have the different cut. The first one is the single cut, and the second one is the double cut, and the third one is the cross cut. In this picture is the double cut. Next, let's look at the rotary file one by one, because between the single cut in double cut, and in the sample in our live stream. In sample in our live stream is the single cut, double cut, and there is no the cross cut. But if you want to say some cross cut picture or video, you can contact our customer service. We will give you the picture or video more detail. You can say it and you can say it and ask for other. Yes, this is our rotary file cart. The cart have three tab. The first one is the single cut. Second one is double cut, and the third one is cross cut. What is the rotary file? Let's see what is the rotary file. This is our rotary file single solid. This is our solid rotary file, and this is double cut. This is double cut. We can see this is double cut. But what is the rotary file? What is the rotary file? But what is the rotary file? The rotary file is a small cutting tool. The rotary file we can see this one is very small. Yes, rotary file is a small cutting tool. Small cutting tool mounted on the powerful tool. And so this one is also as known as the milling head or rotary burn. We also can it rotary burn, and this one usually mounted. Is usually mounted on the powerful tool. For example, the electric grinder and CNC machine tools we can it also will be mounted on the CNC machine tool. And what is usually made of the high-speed steel, carbon in diamond. Because this is usually made of the high-speed steel, so we can also call them HSS. And this one performs fine cutting, grinding, and engraving of the material to towing at high speed. So this is suitable for the complex shapes and the high precision machine. And this rotary burns. As we all know, this one, the rotary file, we can also call it milling hand, and the rotary burns. So this rotary burns. This rotary burns is the Swiss Army knives of the industry. This one mastered five. This one mastered 5-ton jobs. The 5-ton jobs. The first one. Let's look at what is the 5-ton job. The first one is the shaping complex contours. And the next one, the next one is zippo mending or plastic burns, and the third one is flexing metal lines, and the fourth one is enlarging hole with ease. Enlarging the hole with ease. And the last one, and the last one, we can use it even on the artistic engraving. So we can through the file things we can look at them is one true does it all, one true does it all, so it is a master. Yes, maybe you can see we can see this is a true material master. This one can one true, this one true does it all, so we can call it is a material master. Maybe this is the true material master. Yes, right. Hello, welcome to our Liu show. Hello. This is our rotary burns. And it is a true material master. We can use one true to do something very well. This is our rotary burns. And the rotary burns, as we all know, the rotary burns have many shapes and many shapes. They have different shape, and it also have different cut. Let's look at the different shape. How to choose the shape of the rotary burns, and when we use it, how to choose the shape the rotary files when we use it. And let's take a look at how to choose the rotary, the shape of the rotary files. The rotary files of different shape has have different application files. Because they are different shape, and they have different application. So we can choose the correct shape. We can choose, and then because the carbon rotary file has different shape and different application. So only by correctly and reasonably selecting the shape of the rotary files. Rotary files can the best processing the effect of the workpiece be obtained. So we want to correctly and reasonably select the shape of the rotary file, so we can process the effect of the workpiece So our company have sorted our company has sorted 13 common our company has sorted 13 common rotary file shape and their application. For your reference, you can take a look at the 13 common rotary files. And and listen their application. You can add the reference. So let's take a look at the shape A. The one by one. Let's take the 13 common shape of the rotary files one by one. Next, let's look at the shape A, cylindrical without any teeth. Wait a moment. Let's look at this is our box. This is our box, and the rotary files can be put on this box. In the box will be maybe usually this box usually will usually be the 14 pieces in one box. So this is our box. You can see. Yes, you can see there. This is our rotary files, and it usually be 14. And let's take a look at the rotary files. The first one, the shape A. The shape A. There, maybe you wait a moment. The shape A. Yes, there. Yes, this is the shape A, cylindrical without any teeth. This side is, and there is also the what A here? Yes, let's look at it. This is our shape A, cylindrical without any teeth. The shape A is cylindrical without any teeth. We can see this one is the double cut. 应该整个这屏不要了。We can see this one. Yes, we can see this one. This is the shape A, cylindrical without any teeth. This is the double cut. And this is our packing edge. This is our packing edge. We can see. This is our new packing edge, and this is the old packing edge. If you need, but if you want to use your company, use your own package, you can contact us. We can OEM. We can support the OEM, OBM, and ODM the service. So this is our packing edge. Two packing edge. If you want to the blue one, you can, and if you want to the red one, you can contact us. And but the both one is okay. And the hello, welcome to our new show. Hello, welcome to our new show. This is our rotary files. We can see. 不行，这放这上面不稳定。This is our rotary files. 叫把这个拿下来。哎呦，不行。Yes. This one. Hello, welcome to our new show. 这是你的手机上。走了。This is our rotary files. This one we can see this one. This is the shape A, cylindrical, without any teeth. This one. Let's see it one by one. And this one have different size. Have the single cut. This one. 这还有个刷子呀。We can see this one. This is the double cut. The cylindrical. We can see tab is smooth. We can see. Let's see this one. You can see this one. Yes, there is smooth, right? You can see this one. There. This is the smooth. This top is smooth, and the rotary. The first one, shape A, is cylindrical, without entities, and this one is suitable. Is suitable for the machining surface, contour of the workpiece, machining surface contour of the workpiece. So if we want to, if we want to, 搁上这个看不着了。So if we want to machine, so if we want to machining the surface, so if we want to machining the surface contour of the workpiece, we can choose the shape A. We can choose the shape A in this one, and the shape A is also have the single cut, double cut, and cross cut. If you
这都是不是这里边这个都是。
And this one is also have the single cut, double cut, and first. 这个你为什么？这个好像太阳那个电视，那是在下面。不是，是那个河里，但是你们是。我这被我那个包装袋，你看，细的。This is our rotary file.这样，当这个，这不，往后点，往后点没法看稿了，放俩就不行了。
对，这样都能看见。
那就把那个，哎，这样，这样。This is our shape A, cylindrical without any teeth. And next, let's look at the shape B. There are difference between the top. Let's see the difference. We can see? See? You can see their difference. We can see, yes, there are difference on the top. The right one, is the should be cylindrical without any teeth, and the blue one is the shape A, cylindrical without any. 我刚才说的 and the right one is cylindrical with any teeth, and but the blue one is shape A, cylindrical without any teeth. There are difference between the different top. And we can see they are different size, but this one, yes, let's see it clearly. Yes, there. We can see there, this one. We can see this one. This is also the double cut. We can see there. We can see they're different. They're very clearly. So the shape B, cylindrical with any teeth. The shape B is the shape C. The shape B, cylindrical with any teeth. It also has the single cut, the double cut, and a cross cut. If you need the other one, the sample in our live stream, the sample in our live stream is the double cut, and their size is different. We can see, and we also have the single cut. We also have the single cut and the cross cut. If you want to say something about single cut, double cut, or the cross cut, because for example, their picture and their video or their detailed method, you can contact us. Contact our customer service, and we will give you our catalog. We can see catalog like this one. We can give you the catalog. For example, there is A from A to N, and the shape A to shape N. Their shape, and they can choose the shape B. They can choose the shape B. And next, let's look at the shape C. Cylindrical ball nose. Let's look at the shape C. Okay. Let's say something about the shape C. Cylindrical ball nose. Yes, you can see. Yes, this one is our shape C. We can see there. What else? Yes, there we can see this one is our 哎，这脉动不会涉及侵权吧？不叫看，哎，对，看不着脉动。Yes, this one. This is our shape C. We can see there the blue package, and this is the double card, the shape C, and we also have the single card, cross card. If you need something about them, you can contact our customer service. And this is our CC cylindrical bone nose, and this one is suitable for machining the surface contour of the workpiece as well as the arch contour of the workpiece. So in other words, if we want to machine, so in other words, if we want to machine the surface contour. So in other words, this one, the sheet feed. In other words, if we want to machine the surface contour of the workpiece and or the arch contour of the workpiece, we can choose the sheet C cylindrical bone nose. And let's say something about the about the shape D. The shape D is both. The bow. The bow is suitable for machining the rounded contour of the workpiece, and for removing the burns passes and welded joints. And the next one is the shape E, oval. Oval is suitable for machining rounded contour of the workpiece. So if we want to machine the rounded contour of the workpiece, we can do the shape E, oval. And the next one is the F, the shape F. Let's look at something about. Yes, we can see something about the bow. Yes, this is our shape D. This is single card. This is our shape D. Yes, let's say something about the shape E. Yes, we can see there. Oh, yes, we can see. We can see this one. This is our shape F. The shape F is rounded nose tree. Yes, we can see there. This is the single cut and double cut. We can see there. This one. This is our shape F. Single cut. The difference between the shape is the single cut and double cut. can see their difference. We can see the difference. This is our single cut and double cut shape F. Yes, this one is the shape F rounded nose tree, and this one is suitable for. And this one is suitable for machining rounded contour of the confined space of the workpiece. Though this is this is our single cut, double cut nose tree, rounded nose tree, and if we want to machine the rounded contour, in contour in the confined space of the workpiece, we can choose the shape F. Choose this one. Let's say something about how the cross cut. And if you need the cross cut, you can contact our customer service. We will give you the price according to the quantity. According to the quantity you need. In the next one, let's look at the shape G. Pointing nose tree. The shape G pointing nose tree is suitable for machining rounded contours. It's very limited. So if we want to machine the rounded contours in the confined contour of the workpiece, and where the space is very limited, we can choose the shape G pointing the nose tree. And next one, let's look at the shape H. The shape H is film. Film is suitable for the machining. Suitable for the machining rounded contour on the sharp corner. And the H. Let's look at the H. Yes, we can see they are different size. The H is also the single cut. It's both the single cut, but they are different in size. Can you see? Yes, they are different in size. And the shape H is film. Film is suitable for machining the rounded contour of the workpiece. So if we want to machine the contour of the workpiece is rounded, the rounded contour of the workpiece, we can choose this one. And let's look at the shape J. Shape J 60 degrees, 60 degrees cone, 60 degrees cone. 60 degrees cone is very suitable for machining the 60 degrees contour sinks and the 60 degrees chamfers on the workpiece. We can choose. And the last one is the shape K, 19 degrees cone, 19 degrees cone, and the 19 degrees cone is suitable for machining 19 degrees corner 6 and 19 degrees chamfers on workpiece. And The next one is shape L, rounded coin. Rounded coin is suitable for machining. Rounded coin is suitable for machining surface contour of the workpiece as well as narrow rounded contours. This is the shape L. And the next one is our shape M. Pointed cone. Pointed cone is suitable for machining surface contour and narrow contour of the workpiece. And the next one is shape N, inverted conical. Shape N, inverted conical, is suitable for machining internal chamfer of workpiece. So this is our 13. This is our 13 common common rotary file shape and their application. And this is 13. So I hope the 13 the above. I hope the above there are 13 common rotary 13 common rotary file shapes and their application can help you. Next, let's look at how to choose the single cut or the double cut. Let's say something about the how to choose them. And yes, next let's take a look at about some rotary files size. Let's look at something size. As you know, the rotary files. As you know, the rotary files can be the solid one by one. For example, this one and this one. This is the solid. Let's look at the rotary file size. Let's look at the size one by one. How to show you? Yes, okay. Is this one? Yes, this one 不行。找个直的这样。Let's look at the rotary file size one by one. Yes, we can see it clearly. You can see this is our rotary files. Yes. It can be the solid one by one and the packing age, and each one have their packing age, but it also can be combined the rotary file size. For example, this one. And next, let's look at the rotary files size one by one. And if you need something to see some picture or customer service and picture, video, and others, and you can tell our customer service how many do you need, what the quantity, and we will give you the price of based on the best price. And next, let's look at the rotary file size. File size one by one. Let's look at the first one. This one is 3 and 4. This one.
那有一个目录，上面给他发一下。
这个吗？
哦，
看这个人没事，不用给他发，
不用给他发，这用
这天天来。
The 3 and this is 3 and 4. We can see this size. And the size is same, but they are different in cut. And we can see the difference. We can see the difference. They are different, and this one is single cut. We can see, and this one is double cut. We can see their difference. Let's see something different about them. See it. This is difference. And this is our 3 and 4. 3 and 4, and this is her packing age, like this one. This we can see there, and this is the 3 and 4 rotary file size. The this one is single cut. We can put there, we can see, we can put on the package like this one. Yes, for example. There. You can see, and all page and close edge. This is our packing edge of the 3 and 4. You can see, and this is our double cut. Close it. Yes, this is our rotary files 3 and 4, and need also have the single cut and double cut. This is our like this one. If you want to put it on your on this one in your company. And for example, in your company and in your brand name and your design, you can contact us. We can put it your name and your company in bright on this one. In these three, and the other is also can put it. And this is 20 pieces. This one is 20 pieces. Let's open it. We can see it clearly, more clearly. You can see this one is 20 pieces. This one is 20 pieces. Yes. Yes, we can see this one is very shiny, right? This is very shiny in our little stream, and it will be more shiny in your hand. This is our diamond rotary valve size, and this one is this shape, this shape, and it also can be the other. Diamond pointed size, and it can be combined the various shapes. You can see, and the various shape this size various shape for your reference for your fine detail jobs. It can be help you because this one have different various shapes. You can see, and this one is well counting glasses, metal, stone, or etc. We can also can use this one. For example, in other words, is for example, if we want to cut the glasses, metal, stone, or etc., we can choose this size. And this size is also can be used in multiple drones and high-speed die grinder flex shapes. So pieces of diamond mounted points of the size and the shapes. And this size is 6 mm. The shaft is 6 mm, and this one is 20 pieces diamond mounted point size. This one. This is our 20 pieces diamond mounted size. And this is also the diamond rotary valves. We can see there this one. And it also can project. We can let's say the detail of the rotary valve size. This is 20 pieces. 20 pieces, 10 pieces. This one. And this is 20 pieces. 3 and 3. Rotary valve size we can see, and this size can have both the single cut and double cut. We can see it clearly. This is 3 and 3 rotary valve size. And this one, this two is 3 and 6 rotary valve size. Let's open it and see it clearly. This is a single cut. Hello, welcome to our video show. This is our rotary valve size. This one is single cut, 3 and 6 rotary valve size. Let's see this one. And this one is double cut, 3 and 6. You can see. This one is 3 and 6. This one. You can see this one is 3 and 6. And this one, this 10 pieces. This is 10 pieces. And our company can support the OEM, OBM, ODM service. If you need something about our, for example, whether the single cut, the solid rotary valve or the rotary valve size, you can contact us. You can contact us freely, and we will give you the best price according to your quantity. So you can contact our service. And this is our rotary, something about the rotary. And see you next time. Bye. See you next time.